I see stability. I see security. I see happiness. Originally, I'm from Michigan till about 12 years ago. It just was not a place that I wanted to raise my children. It was not safe, so we decided to venture out to Arizona. Basically started our life here. I had tried to go through like low-income housing and stuff like that. But the waiting list was just, it was crazy, it was years. And then I started researching the habitat. When they did call me and tell me that I was selected, I just couldn't believe it. I was screaming and hooting and hollering and just was amazed that my family was picked. I had to have 250 hours because I was a single parent. Of course, I had a lot of help. The volunteers, without them, there is no habitat. Without them, I wouldn't be here. It's like working with one big family. You know, they've always taken the time out to show you what you need to do. Because when you come on, you don't know what you're doing. I mean, unless you've worked in construction, you don't know nothing. I've learned so much. I've done just about everything as far as building a house is concerned. I've hung trusses, I've hung the drywall. Hanging trusses, I didn't like that, but because I'm a little bit afraid of heights. But my oldest she's overwhelmed. She just is looking forward to it so much. I mean, if you could just see the smile on their faces, you know, I mean, it's priceless. Where we live now, they don't want to bring their friends by because they're embarrassed of where we live. You know, the house is falling apart. It's going to be a better life. It feels like a dream. You know, I mean, I've worked on this house from start to finish, but until we are actually moved in, it seems like, no, it's too good to be true. You know, we're going to get to experience what you get to experience here. More love, you know, just a all-American family.